Jerk chicken is the fiery soul of Jamaican cuisine. Today I'm trying the most viral jerk chicken recipe with over 32 million views by Ainsley Harriott, a British chef who became a legendary meme after making his video, which I'll leave in the description below. Let's begin.
Yeah, boy.
For the jerk sauce, we're going to begin with 2 peeled and quartered onions, about 225 grams. 2 small Scotch bonnet chilies, which are an extra hot chili with the exact same spice range as its hot cousin, the habanero. A 3-centimeter piece of fresh turmeric root, peeled and roughly chopped. You can also use 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric if that's all you have. If you're going to use the fresh one, make sure you use gloves, as my fingers are now yellow forever. I hate you. We'll peel 50 grams of fresh ginger root, no gloves needed. 15 grams of thyme leaves, carefully plucked with your fingers. 120 ml of a dark soy sauce. 120 ml of Chardonnay white wine vinegar. And half a teaspoon of allspice seasoning. We're gonna blend everything together with some sea salt and pepper until it's liquefied and you got this sassy, spicy looking sauce.
Disgusting!
For the chicken, I'm going to use 2 organic pasture-raised chicken legs. Pour the sauce over. Ideally, you want the chicken to marinate overnight or for at least a few hours for the best results. But I'm going to get some ghee on a hot cast iron pan. We're going to sear the chicken legs on both sides with all that marinade in there to give it that nice crust. Can someone please tell me why my eyes are burning? Then we'll place it in the oven on 375 and cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. A Jamaican man once told me it's forbidden to have jerk chicken without a slaw. But the cool and slightly sweet coleslaw can create a perfect balance of flavors and textures. So while the chicken's cooking, I'm going to butcher the head of this cabbage with my knife skills. We're going to finally chop a small onion this time, peel a carrot, then we're going to finally dice it with our peeler. A stick of celery chopped into little pieces. For our dressing, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of Keen's dry mustard, a splash of heavy cream, but half and half works well too, 1.5 cup of mayo, I'm using avocado mayo, 1/8 of a cup of red wine vinegar, and 1 heaping tablespoon of Bubby's horseradish. We're going to put all the ingredients into a bowl. I drizzle in honey instead of sugar for sweetness. In my opinion, works better here, and I prefer the natural sugar over refined, and give it all a good mix. The chicken looks ready for a taste test, and we got slaw for backup because I got a feeling this will be spicier than what I'm used to. The spice level is definitely up there. I think 1 Scotch bonnet chili would work just as well here, but it's full of flavor, and marinating the chicken overnight and throwing this on a barbecue or slow cooking it would make it even better. Creamy sweetness and crunchy texture of the slaw complements it perfectly. I'll give the jerk recipe an 8.5 out of 10 on flavor. The slaw I'm gonna give a 9 out of 10. It's also the most viral slaw on YouTube. I'll post a link in the comments below. But let me know what your favorite Jamaican dish is. It's one cuisine I need to try more of and definitely want to test some more recipes. And as always guys, thank you for watching this quick video. I'll see you again soon.